Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can customize My AI Snapchat avatar bot. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your chats and search for My AI conversation and go with it. And go to My AI profile, and then you'll be having an option which says customize. Just press on it and just go to avatar. And it will redirect you somewhere. So over here you'll be having options over here to customize. You can choose anything, you can choose anything to customize. Body type, let's say your eyeshadows, your t-shirts, your pants, anything guys, you can do it from here. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you customize your AI Snapchat avatar bot. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.